Create an app, turn a simple idea into a digital business in 2026. What if you could turn a simple idea into an app that people actually use? You don't need to build the next Instagram or WhatsApp to create an app business. Sometimes the best opportunity is solving one small problem for one specific group of people. Think about everyday problems: expense tracking, study planning, habit tracking, appointment management, local services, productivity, calculators, reminders, business tools, or simple utilities. The important question isn't what cool app can I build? It's what problem can my app solve better or more conveniently? Before writing a single line of code, validate the idea. Talk to potential users, search existing apps, read reviews, and identify what people complain about. If 10 existing apps already solve the same problem extremely well, you need a strong reason for users to choose yours. On the other hand, if users repeatedly complain about complicated interfaces, missing features, expensive pricing, or poor support, you may have an opportunity to create something better. And today, AI can dramatically speed up parts of the app development process. AI coding assistants can help beginners understand code, generate prototypes, explain errors, create database structures, and turn a basic idea into an early working version. No-code and low-code platforms can also help people create simple applications without becoming expert programmers. But AI doesn't remove the need for testing. An app can look perfect in a demonstration and still crash when real users interact with it. You need to test buttons, forms, logins, payments, notifications, databases, performance, security, and different screen sizes. Start with an MVP, which means a minimum viable product. Instead of spending 6 months building 100 features, create the smallest version that solves the main problem. For example, if you're building a habit tracker, your first version might only allow users to create habits, mark them complete, and view their progress. Once people start using it, you can discover which additional features are actually valuable. Monetization is another important decision. Apps can potentially make money through subscriptions, one-time purchases, advertising, premium features, business licensing, or other legitimate models. But don't put advertisements everywhere just because you can. Too many ads can create a poor user experience. If your app saves someone significant time or helps them complete an important task, a paid premium version may make more sense than relying entirely on advertising. You also need to understand platform policies, privacy requirements, data protection, intellectual property rules, and payment regulations before launching. If your app collects personal information, you need to be especially careful about what data you collect, why you collect it, how you protect it, and what users are told about it. App Store approval isn't automatic either. Your app needs to meet the current requirements of the platform where you publish it. Marketing is also part of the business. A great app with 0 users is still a business problem. You can create tutorials, short videos, demonstrations, blog posts, social media content, communities, partnerships, or other legitimate promotional strategies to reach potential users. You can even build an audience around the problem before launching the app. That way, you aren't launching into complete silence. Another smart strategy is starting with a niche. Instead of trying to create a general productivity app for everyone, create a specific productivity tool for students, freelancers, small businesses, or creators. A focused audience can make product design and marketing much easier. And remember, creating an app doesn't automatically create passive income. Apps require updates, bug fixes, customer support, security improvements, platform compliance, and ongoing development. But if you solve a real problem and build a product people genuinely want, an app can become a scalable digital asset. Start small, validate first, build an MVP, test with real users, improve based on feedback, and only then think about scaling. You don't need the biggest app. You need an app that solves a real problem well. If you enjoyed this video, follow for more AI tools, app ideas, digital products, online business strategies, passive income concepts, and practical ways to build income online.